Hi everyone, this is Nad. I'm excited to introduce the Pharos Audit Skillpack, my submission to the phase one of Pharos Network Agent Carnival. In the Imagine AI agents economy, agents need to operate autonomously on-chain, but before deploying code or signing transaction, agents need a way to verify the security of their smart contract. That is why I built a set of two reusable production-grade security auditing skill for the Anvita Flow network. These aren't simulations or mock analyzers. They perform real static analysis and architectural threat modeling on Solidity source code. I have packaged two standalone skills. The first, Solidity Static Analysis Skill, and then the second is the Solidity Threat Modeling Skill. So we're starting with the static analysis. The Solidity Static Analysis Skill scans contract code for structural bug, like floating pragmas, default visibility modifiers, unchecked low-level call returns, and vulnerability tx.origin authentication checks. It also checks for retrans vectors by identifying if state changes occur after external contract calls. The same thing also applies for the threat modeling. This maps access control roles, catalogs privilege admin endpoints, and flag high-level logical risk such as spot price Oracle dependencies, which are vulnerable to flash loans. These skills include a standardized manifest JSON, like I've been showing, defining its parameters, response schemas, and fee structures, making them ready to be integrated by any agent using. So yeah, getting started with the skill pack is simple. It runs on native Python with zero external dependence. First, we're going to clone the repository and navigate to the project repository. So right here, I've actually already cloned the repository. So all you need to do is simply clone the repository and then change to the skill pack. Then to run the first test to test the skill, we'll go here. So we confirm if everything is working. Right. Confirm if everything is working well. So all static tests passed successfully. So I'm going to do the same for this. Everything passed successfully. So right now I'm going to, I deployed, so yeah, for the test, I included a local test harness. And I'm going to be executing it for two different smart contracts. One has vulnerable, inside, one is vulnerable, one is secure. So I'm going to be testing it out. Yeah. So as you can see, the two output a detailed JSON compliant breakdown of structural vulnerability, flag logic threats, and rates the secure contract with a perfect 100/100 health score. So yeah, by exposing this modular security audit skill, any developer or developer agents in the Pharos network can automate their contract reviews. And then in phase two of the hackathon, I plan to deploy this skill and build a collaborative orchestrator agent that utilizes the S402 micropayment protocol to settle audit fees on the